In this guide, I'm going to show you the 5 ways that you can actually use to get guns here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there are 2 simple ways to do this. The first simple method is by looting them from maps, and the second simple method is by defeating other Arc Raiders and taking their guns. Those ones are pretty self-explanatory, so we're not going to dive too much into them, but the next way is actually through the workshop. So go up to the very top, hit workshop up here, and then hit this little install button, and what you're going to want to install is going to be the gunsmith right here. Now, in order to actually install this, you are going to need 20 metal parts and 30 rubber parts, so keep that in mind. But hit install, and then you could select that directly, just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And from here, you can go ahead and craft your guns in here, just like so. You can also get guns from traders. For example, if you back out and go to the traders up at the very top and go into the gun shop right here, you can actually go ahead and purchase these weapons from this section. Now, finally, and this is kind of the hardest method I would say, but some quests in game or some quests from traders can actually reward you with guns or blueprints for new weapons. Those are 5 main ways to get guns here in Arc Raiders though. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.